When you are covered by problems, surrounded by challenges, don't tell yourself there is no way out. When you have failed several times, don't call yourself a failure. It was just a lesson, and if you decide to learn from the lesson and use the setback as a fuel, it will make you stronger. Mindset is everything. It will determine your success or your failure, your victory or your defeated. Because in those pivotal moments when most will give up, and if you don't give up, you are already well on your success. Mindset is everything. It is seen as a challenge, not a problem. It is seen as an opportunity, not a burden. And it's seen as a hurdle, not an unbreakable wall. Mindset is everything. Mindset is a courage to back yourself, no matter the circumstances, no matter the words. And it is known that there exists no limit in the mind of the one who is prepared to do whatever it takes to learn whatever you need to be learned. And an extraordinary mindset is compulsory to get an extraordinary life. My result in life will never outperform my effort. My result in life will never outperform my own self-development. Ever, ever, never. I don't look for the easy option. I look for the growth options. I don't look for the first way. I look for the best way. When the road is too long and it is still lead to the success, I will stick on the road because I trust if I work hard, the result will come. If I knock down, I won't stay down. If I am defeated, it won't be for long because I am committed and always hungry to win. I am ready to give my all. And whenever everyone doubts me, I always keep hope inside. When no one believes, I believe. My mindset is strong. I am strong. You have to learn how to dominate your mind, because if you cannot dominate your mind, if you cannot compete with your mind, you cannot succeed in life. If you see the successful people around the world, those people know how to dominate. Winner dominate the losers. Legend dominate winner. And if you cannot dominate your mind, it will not let you do anything perfectly in your life. It will not let you bring a success in your life. So you have to learn how to dominate your mind, how to make a control on your mind.